Hey guys, let's see fix this issue. Translation is unavailable at the moment on your iPhone. So if you are getting similar kind of this issue, let's see how to fix this issue. Yeah, so for that just go to translate, just try to find the translate app. You can see over here. If you want to find translate, just go and type over here. So you can just tap on it. And now guys, let's example if I want to type English hello, and you can see over here that at the bottom French bonjour. So let's example if you want to translate with respect to your language, so you can either you have to go with this, you can go to select here and you can select from the list which you want to this. So for me, let's example if I wanted to go with the German, yeah, so hello. Also just go to the right corner and just tap on the three dots, and also you can go with the download language. And guys, you can download with respect to which you want to translate with respect to your language. So you can go and just right away you can go and download. After that just go and check. After that your receipt will be resolved. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.